So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is John. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about GitHub Copilot. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's check what is GitHub Copilot, really cool tool for developers. GitHub Copilot is a revolutionary tool that uses artificial intelligence to help developers write code faster and more efficiently. With Copilot, you can simply describe the task you are trying to accomplish and it will generate code for you in real time. It's like having an AI-powered coding partner who can help you with even the most complex coding challenges. One of the biggest advantages of Copilot is that it can save developers a lot of time. Instead of spending hours writing code from scratch, you can use Copilot to generate code that matches your needs. This can be especially helpful for repetitive tasks such as writing boilerplate code or creating simple functions. Another benefit of Copilot is that it can help you discover new coding patterns and techniques. Since it's trained on a vast amount of code from different sources, it can suggest solutions that you might not have thought of before. This can be especially helpful for less experienced developers who are still learning the ropes. And also, here are some examples how Copilot can be used. Okay guys, some examples how we can use Copilot. Number one, writing boilerplate code. Copilot can help you quickly create common code structures such as classes, functions, and loops. This can save you a lot of time when you are starting a new project. And number two, generating text code. Copilot can help you generate code for unit tests, which can be a tedious and time-consuming task. By generating test code for you, Copilot can help you ensure that your code is working as expected. And guys, number three, refactoring code. Copilot can help you identify parts of your code that could be refactored for better performance or readability. By suggesting alternative solutions, Copilot can help you improve the quality of your code. And number four, debugging code. Copilot can help you identify errors in your code by suggesting possible solutions to common coding problems. This can be especially helpful when you are working on a complex project and don't have time to go through each line of code manually. Okay guys, that was 4 really important options of Copilot. Overall, Copilot is a game changer for developers looking to save time and improve the quality of their code. With their AI-powered capabilities, Copilot can help developers at all levels write better code more quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button or dislike, up to you, and leave some comment below. Thanks for everything and I'll see you in next video. Bye. See ya.